This is the story of the k sound meeting the h sound, and that combination makes up a complete new sound, the ch sound. Clint lives in a colossal castle, and Clint loves to drink Coca-Cola. He lives with a hoppity hamster that likes to hop on all the towers of the castle. Along with the hoppity hamster, there is the cat with the crown. And every day there is a funny clown driving past to keep them laughing. Clint always starts with a capital letter. Capital letter K, small letter K. As Clint was looking up at the colossal castle and the hoppity hamster, as well as the cat with the crown on, and while he was listening to the friendly clown in the cute red car, he heard a very strange noise, something like It was indeed Hayley Horse.
What is the problem with you, Hayley Horse? Why are you making such a funny noise? It sounds as if you are sneezing. Tja! What a funny noise.
I am so sorry, Clint. I live in a house in Holland, and the past couple of days I can't stop saying "Tja." Can you please help me?
Clint thought about it for a while.
Yes, Hayley Horse. I think you must be allergic to the hay next to your house. Wait, I have got a brilliant idea.
There was great excitement. The clown in the cute red car drove past. The hamster, as well as the cat with the crown, and Hayley could not wait to hear Clint's great plan. This is the capital H and the small letter H. Clint waited for everyone before he made his announcement. The first one to listen to him was the clown in the cute red car. He decided to build a replica of the Holland house for Hayley Horse and turn it into an animal hospital. What a great idea! Hayley Horse was super excited, and so was the hoppity hamster, the cat with the crown, and even the chicken. Can you hear the ch for chicken? From that day on, Clint, as well as Hayley Horse, became best friends forever, and everybody knew that if they say "Ch," they can just run to the animal hospital. And this is the story how the "k" and the "h" sound met. If they are combined, we say "ch." This is the "ch" sound, or the "ch" phonic.